Just a tip for if you're struggling to undo the rear traveller hinge bolts. These are a pain with a flat bladed screwdriver. After bending up the locking tab, place a pair of mole grips between the hinge and the bolt head. Then you get a spanner and release the nut and undo it, and that will help you get them undone if anybody is lacking ideas, and do it the whole way. But these nuts, they seem to rust in place, and there we have it with the spring underneath. After that we release the clamp and everything is loose. There you go.